Kasi nga, no, before we proceed, kakamustahin ko muna yung kalagayan mo. For the record. I'm alright na po, attorney. Check up na po ako sa clinic and binigyan na po ako ni Doc ng clearance na mag-proceed sa kaso. Kung ganun, I'll proceed with my next question. Kanina, bago ang recess, itinuro mo ang akusadong si Mrs. Patricia Engano ang pumatay kay Atty. Meredith Simmons. Pero hindi mo nakita ang aktong pagpatay. Tama ba? Opo. Kung ganun, paano mo nasabi na si Mrs. Engano ang killer?
Kasi inamin niya po sa akin yung mga kasalanan niya.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
Your Honor, it may be hearsay, but it is an admission against interest made by the accused herself, hence admissible in court.
Overruled, Attorney Zamora. By the way, Attorney Matias, does your witness have proof that the accused admitted to the crime?
Yes, Your Honor. And with your permission, we would like to play an audio recording of Mrs. Patricia Engano's admission to killing Atty. Meredith Simmons.
Objection, Your Honor. Once again, we have no authority for this recording, so we refuse to have it played in court. That's a violation of my client's right to privacy.
Your Honor, the witness was part of a conversation and decided to record it to confirm the criminal liability of the accused due to her growing suspicions. In the case of People versus Rodriguez, the Supreme Court allows for videos and conversation to be used as evidence if it is used to determine if a crime was committed.
Overruled, Attorney Zamora. I will allow the recording to be played, and will just rule on the admissibility of the evidence. But you can still object when the prosecution makes their formal offer. Please play the recording.
Bakit ba takot ka sa kanya, ha? Ano bang gagawin niya sa'yo, ma'am? Attorney, alam sa secret.
Tell me!
Masisira ako. Masisira tayong lahat. Kung masisira tayong lahat, might as well tell me. Hindi ka kalala pa ba yan sa mga ginawa ng kay Ate Lilith, ha? Alam niya na ako ang pumatay kay Judith.
Hindi ako nagtataka na tinalikuran ka ng asawa mo at ng sarili mong anak. Wala